Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking one measurable goal because unfocused campaigns drain budget fast. Once you have that, pick the platform that matches your audience and set a sensible daily budget. $10 is a practical minimum to get signal. Make 3 core creatives now: a single image, a short video, and a headline. While creating assets, set basic targeting and conversion tracking. This ensures your first traffic produces usable data. Move quickly. Early iterations depend on immediate, clean inputs. Once your campaign runs, you shift into structured testing. Create audience splits, cold, warm, and one lookalike, and run them in parallel so you can compare performance apples to apples. Use both manual CPC and an automated target CPA to see which controls cost better. Make adjustments after 48 to 72 hours of stable data. Rotate creatives and pause low-performing variants. Make sure to inspect click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. These metrics tell you what to You finalize by scaling what works and cleaning up wastage. Increase budgets on winners in 20% increments every 48 to 72 hours, or duplicate winning ad sets to preserve delivery. Make final creative tweaks and optimize the landing page user flow so your traffic converts at scale. If performance drops, troubleshoot methodically. Confirm tracking and pixels, test landing page load speed, and ensure ad message matches the landing experience. Mismatch is the most common cause of sudden conversion failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.